So let's begin by looking at the demand side factors which contributed to the gold rally that we are experiencing since December and also has the potential to further increase gold price above 1900s. Asia and China. Now in the last quarter of 2021, demand from Asian ETFs have increased 20%, which equals about $1.5 billion if we look at the whole volume annually. Now this rally was heavily driven by the Chinese funds, which made up about 60% of the total inflows. Hold on, why is the Chinese buying gold? Now currently China is experiencing some stability issues, and the housing market slump and a slower growth rate are the two key areas which the Chinese Communist Party are most worried about. Now given the outdated monetary policy, this leads to lower yield expectations, so it's logical that local investors are fleeing to safer, high-yielding assets, such as gold. Now, since China banned cryptocurrencies and broke up the largest crypto markets in the world, we started to see gold demand picking up in Asia. Gold is heavily anticipatory, which means that gold price is a derivation of investors' expectation about the future. Right now, some investors are anticipating that the Fed won't be able to reduce its balance sheet after the tapering, due to worsening economic and global forecasts, which means that investors are buying gold, which is pushing gold price higher. Now, what's the forecast for 2022? 2021 gold market was characterized by higher bond yields and stronger dollar, which pushed down gold price. Now, on the other hand, gold price was supported by inflation worries and market volatility due to the new COVID variants. Now, looking ahead, I think gold market is going to have similar dynamics in 2022. Inflation is staying with us, stock market is way too expensive, and we have increased demand in Asia because of the economic turmoil they're currently experiencing. Now, these are just a fraction of the reasons why I think gold price should be much higher. Now, this is not an investment advice, and we don't know when is the gold market going to tank again and revisit 1750 or even 1680. And with the increased uncertainty in the markets, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, which could push gold higher or even lower. So now we discuss the fundamentals, let's have a look at the technicals. Previously, I have forecasted two sell positions to my team. The first entry was at 1805, the second one was at 1792. So if I pull up my MetaTrader, you can see that I currently have only one position running in a drawdown of minus £800. That equals to about less than 1% risk on my trading account. By the way, I recently joined Forex Cube after IC Markets. You can find more information at alphafx.eu/forexc, link in the video description below. Now, I'm not a big fan of the signals, but Forexc actually one of the few brokers who are offering signals. Now, it's broker quality, it's not just shitty Instagram or Telegram signals. So I have an affiliate link, but I don't get any commission if you sign up via my link, because I agree with the broker that any money is generated should go back to the people who sign up. So I don't keep any affiliate money at all. This is only a few pennies and pounds we're talking about, so it's not a big money, but at least it goes back to your account. Now, moving back to the technical analysis, as I showed you, I have one position running and I want to see how the price is going to react to the weekly pivot point and to the break of this bullish channel. Now, I'm expecting price to go no higher than 1805, and if it's respect the resistance level at 1805, then price should continue lower. This is only a short-term scenario which I followed in the past couple of weeks, but because of the fundamental things I explained at the beginning of the video, I might change my view if price goes above a certain level, and I'm going to explain right now. So if I go to the daily time frame, I want to show you something before we go into the technical analysis. You can see that gold likes to consolidate for very, very long times, but after it breaks out from the consolidation, gold can move thousands and tens of thousands of pips in literally days. And what we see on a higher time frame right now is what I think is a massive bull flag. If you look at the dynamics of the gold spot price, you can compare it to like a landing airplane. When it approaches the airport in the sky, the slope is really steep. When it hits the ground, it flattens out, and I'm expecting to take off and the slope becomes really steep again. So this bull flag now found the support at 1760, and I'm expecting this bullish continuation in the near future. Exactly because of the fundamental things I explained at the beginning of the video. But there is no guarantee that price won't revisit 1750 or even lower 1700s before it's taking off to 1900s. So this is why you have to be really careful and manage risk all the time. Now, if you go back to a lower time frame, what I will be looking at around the 1800 level, if price comes above 1800 to this bullish channel, as soon as it breaks the market structure to the upside, breaks the bullish trend line, I will be looking at the retest, and the next target will be 1840, 1850. But if price respects the daily pivot point or the weekly pivot point and comes back to this bear flag channel and breaks the bottom of the bear flag and retests it, I'm going to be looking adding more short position all the way to 1760, and I'm going to take all of my positions at 1760 and then see how price will react to future price action. So once again, guys, I explained two scenarios to you, one bullish, one bearish, and what I'm expecting in the near future about the gold market. Now, it's important to understand that uncertainty is at all-time high and things can change from day to day. Hence, you need to manage risk and understand that trade I take tomorrow may doesn't reflect on the forecast I give today, because things are changing rapidly in current market conditions. And this is why you have to stay up to date with the news, with the developments, especially with the monetary policy. Now, if you want to join the AlphaFX Academy and become the member of one of the best trading groups online, all you have to do is go to alphafx.eu, go to purchase, select Pro or Premium. I stopped the monthly subscription because of various reasons, but I still have the Pro and the Premium open. And right now, anyone who watching this video, you get 50% discount if you use alpha50 code at the checkout. All you have to do is go to alphafx.eu, select the plan which you want, and then sign up and become the member of the AlphaFX team. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I wish you a relaxing weekend and see you next week Tuesday, where I'm going to be doing a live stream on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 1 p.m. UK time every single day on YouTube. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you next week. This is the AlphaFX.